Hello everyone. I made a very small setup to teach physics. We know that the physics is little tricky and confusing because there are a lot of concepts which clash with other concepts. Therefore, children find it difficult to understand. So, in order to overcome such difficulties, I made a small setup where we can teach a lot of concepts at a time. For example, you can see it's a very simple concept, very simple setup. This is a stand which is easily available in the lab. This is elemental battery. Here I made a copper coil. I put on the switch and supplied electricity to this coil, due to which electromagnetism is induced in this coil, and due to that this bottle can stick to that, because here I place a 1 rupee coin inside the bottle, so it can easily stick with this coil because of electromagnetism. Now what I'll do, I'll try to hit this bottle with this gun, and in this gun here you can see I'm using this trigger as a key which will help me to connect and disconnect this circuit. I will shoot this bottle with this gun. Now the moment I'll press this trigger, circuit will disconnect and electromagnetic field will go off and this bottle will start to fall down. So it means bullet from the barrel and bottom from the coil will release at the same time. Now the question arises, where I supposed to shoot? Either above the bottle or on the bottle or below the bottle. So you might be thinking that we should take aim below the bottle, but it's not correct. Logically you might be correct, because you might be thinking that when we will shoot this bottle, what will happen? Bottle will start to fall down and bullet will take certain time to cover this distance. So we should take aim below the bottle, but it's not correct. I'll show you how. In first attempt, I aim above the bottle. In second attempt, I aim below the bottle. In third attempt, I aim on the bottle. So as we have seen, in third attempt, bullet hit the bottle. It's because gravity not only accelerating this bottle, but also bullet released from the gun or barrel at the same time, and same rate of gravitational acceleration is provided to both the object, bottle as well as bullet, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So the gravitational acceleration remains constant irrespective of shape, size and speed. You can see this small setup I am using to teach the concept of electromagnetism, because this was stick to this coil because of electromagnetism, and this act as a circuit. Then I am using same setup to teach gravity. I am using same setup to teach Newton's law. Same setup can be used to teach free fall, because as circuit disconnected, this bottle start to fall down freely. So it is concept of free fall. And projectile motion also I am using same setup to teach, because when I am releasing the bullet from the gun, the bullet goes in projectile motion, and that is the reason the meeting point or colliding point of the bottle and bullet is down than the actual position of the bottle.